Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and today we will going to presenting our material about individual differences. But before that, let me introduce myself and my member. Ami Nur Hidayah as a moderator and Muhammad Ihsan as the first speaker and Nurul Hidayati as the second speaker, and the last is Jumwi Ratna. So let's move to the material discussion. I invite first speaker Muhammad Ihsan to present about the definition. Okay, time is yours.
Okay, thanks for moderator. Definition of individual difference by experts. Here's some definition by experts. The first, Trevor James. Variation or deviation from the average of the group with respect to the mental or physical characters occurring in the individual member of the group are individual difference. The second, Skinner. Today, why think of individual difference as including any measurable aspect of the total personality. Okay, the next.
Okay, the first speaker. Let's move to the next material. I invite second speaker. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the change. I will explain the next material. Types of individual differences. First, physical differences. Shortness or tallness or stature, darkness or fairness of complexion, fatness, thinness, or weakness are various physical individual differences. The second, differences in intelligence. There are differences in intelligence level among different individuals. We can classify the individuals from supernormal, above 120 IQ, to idiots from 0 to 50 IQ on the basis of their intelligence level. The third, differences in attitudes. Individuals differ in their attitudes towards different people, objects, institutions, and authority. Four, differences in achievement. These differences in achievement are even visible among the children who are at the same level of intelligence. These differences are on account of the differences in the various factors of intelligence and the differences in the various experience, interest, and in the educational background. 5. Differences in motor ability. These differences are visible at different stages. Some people can perform mechanical tasks easily, while others, even though they are at the same level, feel much difficulty in performing these tasks. Next, 6. Differences on account of sex. MC Nemer and Thurman discovered the following differences between men and women on the basis of some studies. First, women have greater skill in memory while men have greater motor ability. Second, handwriting of women is superior while men excel in mathematics and logic. The third, women show greater skill in making sensory distinction of taste, touch, and smell, and etc. 7. Racial differences. Differences of environments are a normal factor in causing these differences. On the basis of the average difference between the races, the mental age of particular cannot be calculated since the difference is based on environment. Next. Next, differences due to nationality. Individuals of different nations differ in respect of physical and mental differences, interests and personality, and etc. 9. Differences due to economic status. Differences in children's centrosis, tendencies, and character are caused by economic differences. 10. Differences in interests. Factors such as sex, family background, level of development, differences or face and nationally, etc. 11. Emotional differences. Individuals differ in their emotional reactions to a particular situation. Some are irritable and aggressive and they get angry very soon. There are others who are of peaceful nature and don't get angry easily. And 12. Personality differences. Jung classified people into 3 groups. 1. Introverts is someone lost energy from being around people for a long time, particularly large crowds. Introverts focus inward into their own thoughts. Second, introverts are often described as the life of the party. Their outgoing, vibrant nature draws people to them, and they have a time turning away the attention. Introverts focus outward into the world. And the third, ambiverts is someone who exhibit qualities of both introversion and extroversion and can flip into either depending on their mood, context, and goals. I think enough for me. And the next.
Okay, I will continue the next material, and the material is cause of individual differences. Some of the main causes of individual differences are as under. For the first is heredity. Heredity is most significant and chief cause of individual differences. Individuals inherit various physical traits like face with its features, color of eyes and hair, type of skin, shape of skull, and size of hands, color blindness, blindness, finger, and tendency to certain disease like cancer and tuberculosis. Mental traits like intelligence, abstract thinking, aptitudes, and predicates. Now, it is an admitted fact that heredity difference result in the quantity and rate of physical as well as mental development being different and different individual. The second is environment. Environment is significantly influences individual differences. Environment consists of physical, intellectual, social, moral, political, economic, and cultural forces. All these forces cause individual differences. And the next is influence of caste, race, and nation. Individuals of different caste and race exhibit very marked differences similarly. Individuals of different nations so different in respect of their personality, character, and mental abilities. And the next is sex differences. Development of boys and girls exhibits differences due to different in sex. The physical development of the girl takes place a year or two earlier than the boys. And the next is age and intelligence. Physical, intellectual, and emotional development is caused by the growth in age. Many individuals differ because of the difference in intelligence. Individuals who are below the average in intelligence and mental age find much difficulty in learning, and the average intelligent persons can learn quickly. And the next is temperament and emotional stability. Some people are by temperament active and quick, while others are passive and slow. Some humors and others are temperate. Emotional stability of the individual is different, affected by physical, mental, and environmental factors. Differences in emotional stability cause individual differences. And the next is other causes. The other causes is interest and aptitudes, achievements, sentiments, character, educational, and home background lead to individual differences. And for the next is economic condition and education. Individual differences are caused by economic condition of the parents and the education of the children. It is not possible for the children of two economic classes to have a similarity and a quality. And I think enough from my explanation about the material. Back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to the last speaker. So that's all our material about individual differences. So for classmates, if you have a question, a suggestion, or response, please write in the comment column, and we will try to reply each other. So that's all. I say thanks to the member and for classmate. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.